Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I recently took a quick getaway trip to Virginia Beach and it was amazing. The weather was beautiful and it wasn't a whole lot of people out. So I'm excited to share what we did for the weekend. So if you are in the area, definitely be sure to check out Cactus Jack. The food was so amazing and the drinks were so good. I had about 3 margaritas. Oh my goodness, it was so good. We stayed at the Coastal Hotel and Suites, which was right on the beach and right next to the boardwalk. The location was super convenient and we had the best views from our balcony. I highly recommend that if you are in the area, definitely try to get a hotel that's right along the beach because it's in the midst of everything. So, just a short walk away from our hotel was this cool carnival. I believe it's called Fun Park. It had so many different rides and a lot of different activities and games that you can play. Honestly, I have not been to a carnival in such a long time, so it definitely is for kids. But it was still cool to kind of walk around and see everything that they had. We also did play a couple games and I got a prize, so that was cool.
Gas pedal, gas pedal, gas pedal, gas pedal. Gas pedal, gas pedal, gas pedal, gas pedal, gas pedal, gas pedal. Speed up, gas pedal, slow down, grab the wall, wiggle like you're trying to make your ass fall off. Hell, think I wanna smash them all now. Speed up, gas pedal, gas pedal, gas pedal, gas pedal, speed up. Thanks, man. Alright, guys. Speed up, gas pedal, gas pedal, gas pedal, gas pedal, speed up, gas pedal.
Day 2, we spent a couple hours at the beach and I absolutely loved our beach setup. We went to Walmart and found this canopy shelter looking thing. It looks like a tent, but it's not. It doesn't have the floor and it doesn't have, a front, but it was the perfect place to have shade and keep our drinks cool and our food kind of covered. And we used our towels as the floor, so it was great. Highly recommend. Go to Walmart and get you one of these.
Gas pedal, gas pedal, gas pedal, gas pedal, gas pedal.
Baby, what are you doing? What is he doing? Is that your Muay Thai?
Yeah.
He's taking Muay Thai classes, y'all. You think you're a legit fighter now?
Not yet.
Oh, you're cold.
Am I?
Yes, that water is cold.
Not yet. I ain't a legit fighter yet, but I will be fighting soon.
Soon. Coming soon in Thailand.
Not Thailand. Well, one day. One day. One day.
We're at the beach. It's so nice. It feels so good out here.
Speed up, gas pedal.
After the beach, we headed down to the Virginia Beach Town Center, which was really nice. It was about 20 minutes or so away from our actual hotel. The town center has a variety of shopping centers and excellent restaurants. There's an Italian restaurant. We ended up going to the Cheesecake Factory. There's a comedy club nearby. So much to do, and the place was beautiful.
Did you get a gun going? Didn't catch a tail. You hope you find the right man who'll face it for you. Are you shopping everywhere? Change the color of your hair. Are you busy? You don't have to pay that much. You will die all the time. Are you too busy? Since I flew home, well, my body's getting a mess, and it's so clear to me, and the way you like to dance.
Alright y'all, so that is a wrap. We are getting ready to head out. This weekend was super fun. Definitely recommend if you're in the DMV area, check out Virginia Beach. It's a cool, nice, quick getaway. And yeah, so we're gonna head back on the road, and I'll see you all in my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.